everybody. It's Kathleen Reynolds with So Charming Quilts, and my partner in quilting crime, as it were,
Diane Martin.
Diane Martin. She's not really. She's a good egg. Anyway, we're finally getting back to you guys. It's been a while since we videoed anything because we have been busy. We've been in the middle of a shop hop, and there's only a couple of days left. Monday
is your last day to come in and get your passport stamped, pick up your free pattern or a quilt kit for our block,
and have fun getting entered into the drawing if you've gone to all 24 shops. Boy, that was something, wasn't it?
It sure was.
Okay, but let's get to our unboxing because we have some great fabrics that we have been
waiting for.
We've got some raptures, but we needed more because people love our raptures.
We have some good colors.
Yep. Oh. And we have other ones too.
We have some for those little boys and little girls that love racing.
Yes. Woo, and we're just going to pull these out of the plastic wrapper so you can see them better.
All right, this one is car parts and tools toss.
This one?
Yep.
Yeah, car parts and tools toss. Wow. Check that out.
All you racing fans out there.
Yeah, NASCAR.
NASCAR.
We have NASCAR here, you know?
Oh, we do? Okay, yeah. I'm new to Texas, so.
Well, we have a racing.
Okay. Oh, it's got license plates. It's got mufflers. It's got a jack. It's got a toolbox.
And also, if you want to win that race that you're thinking of,
you need a checkered flag.
You definitely need the checkered flag because it is stuck. No, it is the awesomest. There you go. This would make a great border for a little boy's quilt or even that wonderful man in your life that you want to spoil, but not to be outdone with car parts and checkered flags.
We have cars and flames.
We have cars, and flames are in the background in dark, but my son used to sketch cars because he's a car aficionado and he loves them, and this would be really awesome.
They're like old time cars.
Yeah, muscle cars.
Muscle cars.
That's what they're called, muscle cars. All right.
All you
just gonna
quilters of the
those
80s.
over a little bit. And we have, what's this color?
We ordered, is that butter or yellow?
I don't think it's yellow. I think it's butter, maybe. It is, hang on a second, SZ.
That one is butter.
Okay, this one is butter. This is our Rapture. It has just a little bit of that texture to it that makes it look so wonderful and gives it really a little bit of pizzazz when you put it with your quilts. And then the next one is
probably teal.
Probably.
Is that cute?
It looks
QK.
Yep.
This one is teal.
And the colors just sparkle. Yeah, this one's yellow.
Right.
There's no mistaking the yellow. The yellow is sunshine on steroids. Have we not had a really, really hot summer?
We have had a hot summer.
Well, Texas is not abnormal. Hot summers are not abnormal in Texas, and I don't even want to think about what they must be like in Arizona, but in Texas, it gets hot. We don't usually get, over 100 degrees in June for sustained days, but it has happened before. Ask me how I know.
You've lived here a long time.
Well, not just lived here a long time, but my daughter, one of my older daughters who got married in June, I'm gonna get this wrong. I know those go great together.
They go great together.
June 10th. June 10th. I'm gonna say it's June 10th. I hope it's June 10th. Anyway, when my daughter got married June 10th in 2007, it was over 100 degrees. Every picture I got sunburned because they took pictures outside. So of course I got sunburned. All right, so we have some more raptures here. This is awesome. Ooh, these colors are really pretty. They will make anybody's day. Ooh, which one is this one?
I bet that's wild rose.
Oh.
Or not ruby. Is it?
No, I bet you it's wild rose. Because the color is PK.
Then it must be wild rose. I don't have the colors.
This is
for
a
that.
wild rose. This is like,
Ooh,
that is like flowers for sure. Ooh, we could take this and do some flowers, some applique flowers on an apron. Ooh, we're gonna do another project real soon. For those of you who love aprons, we like aprons. Aprons are cool.
Is this ruby?
Ruby. Yep, this is ruby. This is ruby. That's a really pretty color.
That is a very pretty color.
And I like it just has that splash of a little dark, a little light to make it
Just a soft
just
texture.
enough texture in there to make it something special. This one is
Green apple.
Green apple. We have some dark colors and we needed something to pep it up. So that's what green apple's gonna do for you. Getting ready for harvest time.
There you go,
Green
green
apple
apple.
pie. Ready for time for good yummies.
If you sign up for our newsletter, you get a mug rug pattern.
Yes.
This would be great in our August mug rug.
Absolutely.
Oh, my favorite color. Charcoal.
Yes. Yes, Diane is in favor of the grays. She likes pops of color with it, but she likes the grays. It just
See, I can
makes
see.
her happy. See? Completely happy. So this is charcoal.
Charcoal, yep.
We're gonna be out of that within probably a month. If I know Diane, we're gonna be out of that in a month.
I'm gonna say this one
Salmon.
is salmon.
Salmon. That light, peachy, pinky goes with all manner of goody stuff. Ooh. It'll go with this. You know, it might even go with that.
Which one?
The green apple. Add another dark colorway with it and you're golden. I'm telling you. So this is our salmon.
That's a pretty color too.
And finally, it's not like we don't have a lot of Kona cotton colors. We actually have all of them, with the exceptions of the ones that we didn't have fixed. I mean, we ran out of, so we replaced them. Did you even open the box?
I didn't because it was Kona, so.
Okay, well,
It's
we
probably
replaced our
Chinese-
Konas.
Yeah,
There you go.
Chinese red, white,
Hyacinth.
hyacinth, maybe a blue. I don't
Maybe.
even know, but we do keep them in stock, so come in and see us.
Come in
for
and see us.
all 365 colors.
Yes, actually 368 because we have the colors
Colors
of the year too. So check us out on our website, www.socharmingquilts.com, and check us out on any social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and YouTube. And our luminescent quilt, which is the August quilt. July is on the frame now. It's almost finished. I know we got behind, but we're catching up.
We'll reveal that
Well,
soon.
Anyway, that'll be revealed, and then we're moving on with August, and hopefully we can get done before the end of the month.
But we do want to tell you, if you've downloaded the free pattern for August, there are a few corrections that we're going to make our flying geese. So check out the
Yes.
website. Is
Yes,
that where
check
you
out the
posted? Okay.
website where you may have downloaded the digital pattern. The corrections are right there on that page, and we'll add them to another page for the corrections. Thanks for stopping in and enjoying the unveiling with us.
Join us next week. I think we'll have more.
Of course we will.
All right.